Hi, this 5 minute solution gonna show you how to remove a Facebook ad or ad campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. Follow these easy steps to delete or remove ad campaigns or ads. Go ahead and launch your Ads Manager, and here make sure to sign into your ad account, and then you will directly jump into this interface. Here, to delete any ad campaigns, select campaigns, and here you will get the list of all campaigns you created. And now to delete or remove any campaign, just select the campaign first, and that's how you will be able to select multiple campaigns. Once you selected, click on more, and here you will get this delete option. Just click on that. If you delete campaigns, you won't be able to recover them later. Just click on delete, and this is how we can remove or delete ad campaigns. And now let's delete ad. To do that, you have to go to the ad section, and here you will get all of your created ads. Now select the ad you want to delete, click on more, and click on delete. If you delete this ad, you won't be able to recover it later. Click on delete, and that's it. This is how we can remove or delete campaigns or ads in Facebook Ads Manager. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.